Dear students, in the last session we have discussed about e-commerce and its features. To remind you once again the concept, e-commerce means also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce refers to the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money and data to execute these transactions. E-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling of products or services over the internet. Today, let us discuss about categories of e-commerce. The basis for this classification is the parties that are involved in the transactions. Major categories of e-commerce are B2B, that is business to business, B2C, business to consumer, C2C, consumer to consumer, C2B, consumer to business, B2G, business to government, and C2G, that is consumer to government. Let us explain each term one by one. First one, B2B, business to business. It is the use of web-based technologies to buy, sell, or exchange information between two or more companies. For example, call centers, as they take calls for business on their behalf. Another example is business consultants. They provide advice on business strategies and operations. Next one, B2C. The term business to consumer refers to process of selling products and services directly between a consumer and business. Consumer here is the end user of the products or services. Most of the companies that sell directly to consumers can be referred to as B2C companies. Next one, C2C. As the name suggests, C2C e-commerce is a form of business where a company is just involved in providing a platform for various people to use it to interact with each other for mutual benefit. So, C2C is a category of e-commerce which allows consumers to interact with each other. Example, Quicker.com, OLX, etc. Next one, C2B, that is consumer to business. It is a model in which customers offer products or services to business. To make it more clear, we can say that C2B is a business model in which consumers create value and business consumes that value. Here consumers create value and business consumes that value. For example, take the case of reviews. If you think reviews are not important, just look at the hundreds of thousands of reviews left all over the internet every day. For example, Amazon buyers review products. If you ever used a review to make a decision about a purchase, you understand the value these provide to the business on the other side. Next one, C2G, that is consumer to government. It allows consumers to provide feedback or ask for information about government authority from the public sector. Example, when you pay an electricity bill through government website, it is a C2G form of e-commerce. Next one, B2G, that is business to government. A business model that refers to business selling product, services or information to government or government agencies. B2G network provide a way for business to bid on government projects or products that government might purchase or need for their organization. Example, business pay taxes, file reports or sell goods and services to government agencies. Hope that you understood today's session. Thank you.